Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall begin with the ninth part of the chapter Demand. In the previous part, we had studied about price elasticity of demand and how to calculate it. There were two methods, that is percentage change method and proportionate method, which is basically a derivation of percentage change method. So today we shall calculate a few numericals on the basis of those formulas. So let us go through the formula first. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. The other formula is elasticity of demand is equal to delta Q divided by delta P multiplied by P by Q. Now there is another formula which uses slope of demand curve. You already know that the formula for slope of demand curve is delta P by delta Q, and over here in elasticity of demand the formula is just the opposite. It is delta Q by delta P multiplied by P by Q. So there are few questions where slope of demand curve is mentioned and you need to calculate the elasticity of demand. So in that case your formula would be 1 by slope of demand curve multiplied by P by Q. So let us begin with the sums. The first one is when both price and quantity are given. So when price is rupees 10 per unit, demand for a commodity is 100 units. As the price falls to rupees 8 per unit, demand expands to 150 units. Calculate elasticity of demand. Now since there are various variables that are to be considered over here, that is Q, Q1, delta Q, P, P1, delta P. So for convenience I have made this table. Even you can make it whenever you calculate any sum. So your original quantity for this sum is 100 units. New quantity is 150 units and the change in quantity is 50 units. The original price is rupees 10, new price P1 is rupees 8 and change in price delta P, which equals to P1 minus P. Always remember P1 minus P. As a result the answer is minus 2. Now we need to calculate elasticity of demand. So we will put all of these variables in the formula, that is delta Q divided by delta P multiplied by P by Q, which equals to 50 because delta Q is 50 units divided by minus 2 because delta P we just now calculated is minus 2 multiplied by 10, which is the initial or original price, by 100, which is your original quantity, and the answer for it is 2.5. Let us go to the next sum. When elasticity of demand is given, the market demand for a good at rupees 4 per unit is 100 units. Due to increase in price, the market demand falls to 75 units. Find out the new price if the price elasticity of demand is minus 1. So over here we need to calculate the new price. So we will make a similar table and we will write down whatever is available in this question. Original quantity is given, that is 100 units. New quantity is 75 units, and since there is a decrease of 25 units, so change in quantity is equal to minus 25 units. original price is given as rupees 4, new price is not given, and as a result we cannot calculate the change in price. Elasticity of demand is there and it is -1. So we will put all what is available in the formula. So -1 is equal to -25, that is change in quantity, divided by delta P, multiplied by 4, that is the original or initial price, divided by 100 units, which once calculated we will get that change in price is rupees 1, and as a result new price is rupees 5. Moving on to the next question. Elasticity of demand by percentage change method. When price of a commodity falls by 80%, the quantity demanded of it increases by 100%. Find out its price elasticity of demand. Now over here we do not need to calculate percentage change in quantity demanded or percentage change in price. It is already given to us. We simply need to put it in the formula and we will get the answer. So elasticity of demand is equal to 100% divided by -80%, and you will get your answer as -1.25. Minus always denotes the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Now there are few assignment questions that are based on these 3 types that you need to complete. The first one is, when price of sugar is rupees 5 per kg, its demand is 50 kg. When price rises by rupees 5 per kg, its demand falls by 10 kg. Calculate the elasticity of demand. The next question is, price elasticity of demand for a product is 1. A household buys 25 units of this product at the price of rupees 5 per unit. If the price of product rises by rupees 1, how much quantity of product will the household buy? The last question is, a consumer buys 20 units of a good at rupees 10 per unit. When its price falls by 10%, its demand rises to 22 units. Find out the price elasticity of demand. All of you need to solve all these 3 questions, and that is it for today. Thank you.